This here in front here is a bog standard 1983 Austin Maestro. Put the old number plate on it, old style number plate. As is a base spec, it shouldn't even have a rear wiper or a rear squirter, so they must have paid extra for that. It just needs touching up here, innit? Like, but good original car. No radio, blank plate for where the radio should be. Blank plate for where the clock should be. No glove compartment door. No headrests. It's only done 47,000 miles. But like I say, the interior is spot on, isn't it? Clean. No cracks on the dash or anything.